Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Casio G-Shock GWM500A-1. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying it off of Amazon. They want to see what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, what does it come with, etc. So let's take a look at it. International warranty card. If you buy from Amazon, make sure it's ships and sold by Amazon.com. If you do that, it's going to be an authorized Casio purchase. Not saying there's not other authorized dealers on there, but ships and sold by Amazon is always authorized. $79 is what I bought this for. I really wasn't even looking to purchase it, and I saw the price of $79. It's solar power, it's atomic. I thought for that price, it seemed like a pretty good deal. So we've got instruction manual. This is the module number 3405. Got another instruction manual. This one's in Spanish. A warning card. And then yet another instruction manual that is tucked in here. Let me show you the, oh, this just fell out. They've got this little card in there. I'll show you what's on it. Hopefully you can see this okay. I like this model because it's not quite as rugged as some of the other G-Shocks. It's a little bit more of a sporty looking model. And I always go for solar power and atomic if I can get it. Not because I really need it. It's not that hard to set these watches. There's just something kind of cool about the atomic functionality to me. You've got a keeper on the strap, which is nice. You've got a G-Shock logo on your buckle. See, hopefully you'll be able to see the case back. The buttons are recessed in, kind of small. But pretty easy to press. I don't know how to use it. Once I've got some time and I figure it out, I will link some videos to show you the settings and features of the watch. But nonetheless, there's an unboxing. I hope it helps.